Hi guys. So I just finished setting up the craft room. So this might be a bit of a shaky video because I'm just doing it with my hand. But this is right down my basement stairs. This is what you see as soon as you come in. So here I just have like my cutting machines. I know it's weird to have a oven down here, but I do sublimation, so that's where I do my tumblers. And then there's just a lot of extra supplies, my Cricut press, some sewing machines, even though I don't sew, and then some of my mini albums there. And then over here, I have my selfie printer and my normal printer. And as you can see from the previous video, the printers changed locations. It just didn't make sense where they were. And then here I have some of my Chalk Couture stuff because I also used to do that and kind of sort of still dabble in it, not a ton. Under here I have my large format cutter, and then this is where I have my ribbons. So I just have it on a twirly thing, and then in this one. And then over here I have all of my, most of my 12 by 12 papers. These are my supplies for my retreat coming up in September. And then this is my big storage unit. So I'll just kind of open it up quick here so you guys can see what's in here. So in here I just have all of my dies and all of my papers, mostly La La Land Crafts because that's really all I retain right now. Some extra stamps, and then down here I have my Copic refills and my distress inks in that side. This is very much the same as I had in my old house. Then under here I just have just a bunch of extra supplies, cutting plates, things like that. And then this shelf here is all of my sublimation supplies, and then all of my extra Chalk Couture bases down there. I dabble in a lot of different crafting things that I don't show in my channel, so I do have quite a bit of craft stuff. All these containers up here are mostly either mini albums or overflow, vinyl stuff, all that kind of stuff. And then this is like my little die cutting station. It's a little vintage table. So I have my Cuttlebug. I do have a large format die cutting machines, but for the most part, I just use this little one. And then I have my totally blanking scoring board and my trimmer. And then this is my craft desk. So I have all of my supplies here that I need. And then it's kind of cool because you guys get to see my filming setup. This is my ring light, and then my little camera stand here, and then just all my extra supplies there. And my poor mat's a little crumpled from where it was in the boxes. And then here I have some more 12 by 12 paper storage, and then some more of my mini albums, and then just my little Instax camera. So I'm very happy with the space. I think it's really going to work out well for me. And I am very ready to get started creating again. All right, guys, I hope you liked that little tour, and we'll see you all again very soon. Bye-bye.